Oh, now look what you done. My fault. I was kicking out of that. And, well, we might have hit that old. I think we would have disturbed someone. Is this one of your spiky ball? It's hard. No, that's his one. No, it's hard. No, it's his. I think this belongs to you. Thanks. What are you? What am I? I think you should say, who am I? The name's Indy. Short for Indica. So, I hate to break it to you, but why are those balls flying over to my area? Now, I don't want to say uncool, but I'm working on something. What? Bits of... Yeah, a new robot. Yeah. Robot? Yeah, if you wouldn't mind, so... Stay out of my own lab. I'm busy right now. What does she tell by me? I don't know.